Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into something that's revolutionizing the aerospace industry as we know it. 3D printing. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's get into how this technology is changing the game forever. First up, let's talk about cost. Traditionally, aerospace parts are incredibly expensive to produce. With 3D printing, costs are slashed significantly. Why? Because you're using only the material you need. No waste, no fuss. Now, what about time? Building complex parts usually takes weeks, even months. 3D printing can cut that down to just days. Think about it. What used to take forever is now done in a fraction of the time. That's a huge win for the industry, saving precious time on production schedules. Accuracy is another biggie. 3D printers can create parts with micron-level precision. Yep, we're talking about details so fine, they're almost invisible to the naked eye. This means fewer errors and higher quality components. Strength and durability? Check and check. Modern 3D printers use materials like titanium and high-grade aluminum, which are insanely strong yet lightweight, perfect for aerospace applications. Imagine printing a rocket engine part that's both stronger and lighter than traditional components. Mind-blowing, right? Speaking of materials, the range is expanding rapidly. We've got polymers, metals, and even new composites that can withstand extreme conditions. Customization has never been easier. Currently, 3D printed parts are used in everything from commercial airplanes to spacecraft. Boeing and Airbus are already integrating 3D printed components, like air ducts and brackets, into their latest models. They're even printing entire satellite components. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some challenges. For instance, the initial setup for 3D printing can be pricey. And while the technology is advancing, it's not yet perfect for every type of part. There are still limitations on the size and complexity of what can be printed. Another point to consider is quality control. Ensuring every printed part meets stringent aerospace standards is crucial. This means rigorous testing and validation, which can add time and cost to the process. So, where does this leave us? Despite the challenges, the pros of 3D printing in aerospace far outweigh the cons. It's a game changer, reducing costs, speeding up production, and enhancing the quality and customization of parts. To sum it all up, 3D printing is not just a fad, it's a revolution. A technology that's not only here to stay, but will continue to evolve and redefine the aerospace industry. So next time you get on a plane or watch a rocket launch, think about the incredible 3D printed parts making it all possible. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of aeromech engineering. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.